Let me ask you this. What made you click play on this video? It was the thumbnail, right? With over 400 hours of video content uploaded to YouTube every minute, it doesn't matter how good your video content really is if your thumbnails are not grabbing attention. If you ever uploaded a video and got no traffic, this will fix that. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to click to watch a video is the thumbnail, and our tests prove that a good thumbnail will increase your views and traffic by up to 300%. The problem is that creating custom thumbnails manually is kinda tedious, and to actually create good thumbnails, you have to be an experienced designer or hire one. But don't worry, after years of testing and tweaking, we are proud to present Thumbnail Blaster, the only AI-based software that will create attention-grabbing and click-pulling thumbnails for any video with literally 3 clicks. Actually, the process is that easy that even a child can do it. Just point and click and let the artificial intelligence algorithm do all the hard work for you. What used to take hours of creating, designing, and tweaking thumbnails now takes seconds. That's right, seconds. There is no learning curve and the results are instant. And because we know that there is no one-size-fits-all, Thumbnail Blaster comes with over 100 attention-grabbing thumbnail templates across multiple niches. There's nothing to install, and you don't need any technical skill. Each template can easily be customized to fit your needs. You can drag and drop anything, resize, change text and fonts, add new elements, just drag and drop. But that's not all. Thumbnail Blaster will give you an unfair advantage. Something never done before. How would you like to be able to test different thumbnails and find the version that is catching more eyeballs, brings you more views, more traffic, and more profits? Well, you can do that with Thumbnail Blaster's split testing module. Just upload 2 thumbnails, select the time that you want the test to run, and let Thumbnail Blaster work its magic. When the split test will end, Thumbnail Blaster will automatically set the highest converting thumbnail. Amazing, right? For a limited time, you're getting the deal of a lifetime. You can get Thumbnail Blaster for a ridiculously low one-time price and create as many thumbnails as you want, and triple your video views and increase your traffic and sales with only a few clicks. The AI technology behind Thumbnail Blaster and the 100 proven to convert templates plus the split testing engine will guarantee you the best results. What you need to do now is click the button below this video and get instant access to Thumbnail Blaster and triple your video views and increase your traffic and sales with only a few clicks.